Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. There was a lot of hype in 2021 about a potential fan edition of the Galaxy S21, but nothing ever came of it, until now. The Galaxy S21 FE 5G is here, so let's go over its key features and see what it's all about. The S21 FE comes out about a year after the original Galaxy S21, and like previous FE phones, comes with some changes and refinements, which Samsung says are for the fans. The design is actually closer to what we saw in Samsung's recent mid-rangers. It has a plastic back with a soft, matte pastel finish, like what we got on the Galaxy A series. And it's all IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. The camera bump brings the same wraparound shape as the S21's, but the execution is different. Rather than melding into the metal frame, here on the Fan Edition it's actually a part of the back panel. Something neat about the S21 FE is that it's lighter and thinner than the previous model. It's actually as thin as the S21, even though it has a larger battery. Like the S20 FE, you get a 4500 mAh capacity here, and battery life should be comparable, but this time you won't find a charger in the box. Samsung has also done away with the microSD slot for expandable storage. The S21 FE's display is a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED with a 1080p resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The refresh rate is not adaptive, unlike the rest of the S21 series, but at least you get a 240Hz touch sampling rate in gaming mode. And under the hood, you again get either a Snapdragon or an Exynos chipset depending on the region. Only this time, the Snapdragon 888 version will be more widely available, as this will be the model that's getting released in Europe. There will still be markets that get the Exynos 2100, just like the rest of the S21 lineup. Something new here is the interface. You get Samsung's One UI 4, which is based on Android 12, and it brings extra support and options for widgets. And you also get a new dashboard specifically for your security and privacy controls. Finally, we come to the cameras. The S21 FE has a triple camera setup, consisting of a 12MP main cam with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP 3x telephoto, again with OIS. At least on paper, the cameras appear to be identical to the ones on the S20 FE, so we'll have to see whether there might be any differences in software with the new model. So there you have it guys. So far the S21 FE looks like a nice high-end phone, with some small upgrades compared to the S20 FE and even the S21. Let us know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon with our full review.